Right, where are we? So we just filled in all the cuts today. Still got a couple more left to do tomorrow. But yeah, as you can see down here, we just started filling in all the cuts. Let's get a bit of, as you can see down here, we filled in all the cuts up to the gravel board. Everything's cut around here now. Everything's cut down there. Extra slabs going down the side of the house. Sweet. Sweet. So yeah, we've laid all our extra slabs. So I'm just going to check this focus. So we've basically done all of our cuts now. So they're all basically in down the side. Got one over in the corner to do, one back in that corner to do. We've obviously got our faces along here, which have all already been cut today to 150mm. There they are, all ready to go. We'll use a tile adhesive, exterior tile, rapid exterior tile adhesive to fix those on tomorrow, and that'll be all the slab work done. Then we can crack on with this lawn area that needs just doing. Little bit of fence there, a little bit of fencing to finish off. So we sort of hit an area of just slowing down a little bit with the cuts. Everything's just got to be tied up nicely. But yeah, we just slowed down a little bit, but we're pretty much on par to finish at the end of the week. So this is originally only a 38 square metre patio, and they've added about 20 square metres on to 58 square metres now. Just bringing it right out. It wasn't coming out as far there. It's only actually coming out as far as that drain originally. So yeah, we've fixed all our cuts in. All of these are laid on a sand and cement bed, 5-to-1 bed of sand and cement, adding water. Should be a video up here if you want to check that out. All of our tiles are slurry primed on the back. Should be a video here if you want to check that out. Yeah, all ready to go finish off the patio tomorrow. Ready to finish off the rest of the garden by the end of the week. But we had a few slow days with weather. Slowed us down. A few niggly bits in the job itself slowed us down. But yeah, not too far off. Getting there. If you like what you're seeing, comment, like and subscribe.